So, welcome to part 4 of the Chiang Rai trip, and we are on our way to Doi Chang, up in the hills in northern Thailand. This is us arriving at the coffee plantation. It's obviously hot, like it always is in Thailand. And there's me scoring a goal. And doing the Ronaldo pose. So we're now just walking into the cafe. There's Doi Chang coffee sign, famous throughout Thailand. As we just find our table and chair and drink our coffee. I think I remember it tasting very much like a Starbucks, quite milky.
No sugar. Sugar is bad. Stop it.
Hello, welcome to the channel, everyone. This is gonna be the channel. A little about coffee.
You want to show him a little thing? Ooh.
Gift for Toby.
And we'll just there's a present that I bought for my friend Toby. He loves his coffee, although he does add sugar and I think milk, so not ideal. And there's me doing more push-ups, but I think that was 150 that time. And there's Lena doing her squats, and me too. No one wants to see that face. Just some coffee plants. Obviously getting tired and hot, as always. And yeah, so I think we're now on a path just up the side of one of the tracks. 4-directional herb plot. Not quite sure that's what that means.
But we'll get to the path that way. I don't know what this is. We can try anyway.
Yes.
So we're just figuring out which way to go, and we decide to go this way, up through the serpent heads. And this was one of the highlights of the trip, to be honest, as we didn't really know what we were looking for, and we just came across these statues in the woods. And it was just a very peaceful place. And then here, me and Lena, we decided to do a little bit of meditation. Didn't film it because that felt a bit weird to me. But yeah, we just spent 5 or 10 minutes meditating. And then we found this bamboo, I believe, path. And a temple. Well, not a temple. I think it might house a monk, but we didn't see anyone. But there's the view. It was pretty smoky, so not much of a view. And yeah, we just kept following the path. Finding more shrines, a boat, a swing, and more paths. And then we came to this pond, and with a well next to it there. And yeah, it was just a very peaceful Nice place with fishes. There's some of the fish there. Using the GoPro because it's waterproof, so you can film underwater. Lots and lots and lots of fish. And another Buddha statue. I believe it's Buddha. And as we walk down these slightly scary steps, slightly terrifying, and we find some fresh water, have a little drink, wash your face. We found this really cool bug that looks like it's about to get taken away by ants. Really cool tree. Not sure what it's called. And some nice flowers. Taking another rest. Clearly didn't fall over. Have a little smell. This one I like. And here we found some more flowers. These might be tulips, but not quite sure. And my wet bum, or dirty bum. There's more flowers, which Lena was very surprised that no one had picked, because they're quite expensive in our countries. And we have reached, or about to reach, the top of the path, overlooking Doi Chang. There was a couple to the left of us who were also at the top, so we didn't want to disturb them. And there's the view. As you can see, that it's still quite smoggy, quite smoky. And then we met some young guys as we walked down. We weren't 100% sure exactly what they were referring to. We knew they were picking something in the tree. We thought it might have been honey. And this is the very large jackfruit, I'm gonna say. Lena can change that if I've got that wrong in editing. And there we are. There's me getting tired, getting hot. And not quite sure what they are on that tree, but it looked cool. As we continue to walk back down the hill. And off we go, driving to our next destination, which is going to be this extremely cool and beautiful cafe slash restaurant. Amazing view over Doi Chang again. Even though it's still very smoky. There's me with a strawberry smoothie, some garlic bread, I've got salmon pasta, God, I want that right now. And there's me finishing the leftovers of Lena's plate. There were some flies hanging around, which were a little bit annoying. And there we go. Got a drink, got some food, drove back home, and then went to see the White Temple at night time, which looked pretty cool and not many tourists around. So we got some nice shots of the temple in the dark. And as we like to do, we went and got sushi afterwards. And one last touristy thing to see as the ambulance drives past was this clock tower. I think that's me saying I'm pretty tired, and yeah, we must have gone home. Cool, in a bit.